In this video for Chapter 2, Section 2.1, we'll look at the math activities sorting and classifying attribute pieces. There are 24 pieces, large and small pieces, red, blue, and yellow pieces, triangles, squares, hexagons, and circles. In the first question, we have a one difference train set up, and your task is to make more one difference trains. In the virtual attribute pieces, I have this example set up. I use the all 24 button to get all the pieces on the page. And so you can see here that we go from a hexagon to a square, but the size, large, and the color are the same. Then you see we change the color, then we change the size, and here we change the shape, then we change the color, then we change the shape. It's fun to try to get all 24 pieces in a one difference train. For question 2, we'll do a two difference train, and your task here is again to try to get all 24 pieces. You can see in this example that from yellow to red is color, and from circle to square is shape. Then we go and we change color and size. Then we change here, we change color again, and we change shape. And you can just keep going. If I grabbed the large blue triangle, you could see that that would be a different color, a different shape, and a different size. So that's three differences. That couldn't go next. Then in question 3, we start working with Venn diagrams. We'll have a Venn diagram labeled with blue and hexagon. In the blue circle is blue pieces, in the hexagon circle is hexagon pieces, and where they overlap are blue hexagons. There's a Venn diagram button. You can click that to get the circles, and I've labeled it blue and hexagon. You can see I've dragged some hexagons into the hexagon circle, and I would drag some blue pieces into the blue circle. Now the blue hexagons are going to go in the middle. You want to think of your rectangle here as your universe and put all the pieces in the right place. Then for question 4, we move to 3 circles. Here we have triangular, small, and not blue. So we have a 3-circle Venn diagram set up, triangular, small, and not blue. And so you can just drag your pieces in. Of course, you can draw this by hand and simply use the abbreviations. LYS, large yellow square. So it's not small, it's not triangular, and it's not blue. Then if I picked, for example, a red piece, it's large, it's not triangular, it's not blue, so it would also go here. How about a small blue piece? It's small, it's not triangular, it's not blue, so it would go over here. And then you can figure out what pieces go in the intersections. And what goes in the very, very center? It has to be small, triangular, and not blue. So for example, the small yellow triangle would go there, and you can just stack them up. And then you can always put the abbreviations when you show your work. That's it for Math Activity 2.1. I hope you have fun sorting and classifying attribute pieces.